Have you ever looked in your makeup bag and thought, what if I could use this lipstick for everything? It's a wild idea, right? But sometimes the wackiest ideas are the most fun to explore. I mean, who hasn't wondered about the versatility of a single makeup item? Lipstick is such a bold, vibrant product, and it got me thinking about all the unconventional ways it could be used. So I decided to embark on a little experiment. Could I really use lipstick for everything? From eyeshadow to blush, and maybe even a bit of contouring? The possibilities seemed endless, and I was ready to dive in head first. I grabbed my favorite shade of red and got to work, applying it in ways I never thought possible. The first few attempts were, well, let's just say they were less than perfect. I ended up with lipstick smeared all over my face, looking like a clown who had just finished a very intense performance. But instead of getting discouraged, I found myself laughing at the absurdity of it all. It was messy, chaotic, and absolutely hilarious. Imagine a claymation character, Gromit maybe, covered head to toe in lipstick. That's exactly what I looked like. But amidst the chaos, there was a certain charm to it. It was like stepping into a world where the usual rules didn't apply and creativity was the only guide. That's the kind of chaotic energy I was going for. It was a blend of creativity and madness, a perfect recipe for something truly unique. Each swipe of the lipstick brought a new layer of excitement and unpredictability. It was like painting a masterpiece with the most unconventional brush. It was a daring experiment, a wild adventure into the unknown world of lipstick-only makeup. Every stroke was a step into uncharted territory, and every mistake was a lesson learned. By the end of it, I had not only discovered new ways to use lipstick, but also a newfound appreciation for the art of makeup. So next time you look at your makeup bag, remember that sometimes the craziest ideas can lead to the most memorable adventures. First things first, the lips, easy peasy. That's what lipstick is made for, right? A bright red for a classic look. Next, the cheeks. I dabbed a bit of red lipstick and blended it out. It actually looked not bad. Eyeshadow was a challenge. I used a light pink lipstick and my finger to blend. It was messy, but hey, part of the adventure. Getting the lipstick to behave like blush was tricky. Too much, and I looked like a clown. Too little, and it was barely noticeable. I learned a valuable lesson. A little goes a long way, especially with red lipstick. After a few attempts, I found the right balance. My cheeks had a rosy glow, as if I'd just been for a run in the park, or chased by a giant pigeon. Now, for the trickiest part, eyeliner. Who knew a lipstick could be so unwieldy? I tried to draw a straight line, but it ended up looking like a zigzag. I imagined Gromit shaking his head at me, disapproving but amused. After several attempts, I managed a semi-straight line. It wasn't perfect, but it had a certain rustic charm. I discovered some surprising things about lipstick. It's more versatile than I thought. I used a brown lipstick to fill in my eyebrows and a nude shade as a highlighter on my cheekbones. Who needs a whole makeup kit when you have lipstick? The best part? If I messed up, I could just blend it out. It was like having an eraser for my face. Section 6, the final look, a masterpiece, and a sort of. After much blending, smudging, and laughing at myself in the mirror, I was finally done. The process had been a roller coaster of emotions. I started with a clear vision, but as I applied each layer of lipstick, things took an unexpected turn. I found myself experimenting with colors and techniques I'd never tried before. The mirror became my stage, and I was the star of my own quirky makeup show. Each smudge and blend added a new dimension to my creation. The result, let's just say it was unique. It wasn't the polished, flawless look I had initially aimed for, but it had a charm all its own. The colors were bold and unapologetic, each one telling a story of its own. The uneven lines and smudges gave it character, making it a true reflection of my adventurous spirit. It was a masterpiece in its own right, even if it didn't fit the conventional definition of beauty. My face was a canvas of reds, pinks, and browns. Each color represented a different emotion and moment in the creative process. The reds were bold and passionate, the pinks were playful and fun, and the browns added a touch of earthiness and depth. Together they created a vibrant tapestry that was as complex and multifaceted as my own personality. I looked like a cross between a glamorous movie star and a finger painting enthusiast. It was as if Hollywood glamour had met childlike wonder in a delightful collision of creativity. The glamorous side of me reveled in the bold colors and dramatic lines, while the playful side enjoyed the freedom to break the rules and embrace the messiness. It was a look that defied expectations and celebrated individuality. But you know what? I kind of loved it. There was something liberating about embracing the imperfections and celebrating the uniqueness of my creation. It was a reminder that beauty isn't about perfection. It's about expression and authenticity. My messy makeup was a testament to my willingness to take risks and have fun with the process. It was a reflection of my confidence and self-acceptance. It was bold, unexpected, and a little bit crazy, just like me. In the end, my makeup experiment was more than just a fun activity. It was a journey of self-discovery and expression. It taught me to embrace my quirks and celebrate my individuality. So here's to the bold, the unexpected, and the wonderfully crazy creations that make us who we are. After all, true masterpieces are those that reflect our true selves. Section 7. Laughter, gasps and second looks. I decided to take my new look for a spin. My friends' reactions were priceless. Some burst out laughing, others gasped in surprise. One friend even asked if I'd been attacked by a rogue makeup brush. The best reaction came from my grandma. She took one look at me, shook her head and said, "You've always been a bit dramatic, haven't you?" Section 8. Lipstick Makeup Secret Weapon. This lipstick challenge was a hilarious reminder that makeup doesn't have to be serious. In fact, makeup can be a playful and joyous experience. It's not just about looking good, it's about feeling good too. When you apply that perfect shade of red or that quirky purple, it's like you're putting on a new persona, ready to take on the world with a smile. The laughter and fun shared during this challenge were infectious, reminding us all that makeup is a form of art and self-expression. It's about having fun, experimenting, and expressing yourself. Each swipe of lipstick is a stroke of creativity, a way to showcase your personality and mood. Whether you're going for a bold, dramatic look or something more subtle and understated, lipstick allows you to play with your appearance in endless ways. The freedom to experiment with different styles and colors is what makes makeup so exciting. It's a canvas where you can let your imagination run wild. Sure, I looked a little crazy, but I also felt confident and creative. There's something empowering about stepping out of your comfort zone and trying something new. Even if the result is a bit unconventional, the confidence that comes from embracing your unique style is unmatched. Makeup gives you the courage to express parts of yourself that you might otherwise keep hidden. It's a celebration of individuality and creativity. Who knew a single tube of lipstick could hold so much power? It's not just a cosmetic product, it's a tool for transformation. With just a few swipes, you can change your entire look and feel. Lipstick has the power to boost your mood, enhance your features, and even change the way you carry yourself. It's a small but mighty accessory that can make a big difference in how you present yourself to the world. So go ahead, raid your makeup bag and see what wacky and wonderful looks you can create with just lipstick. Don't be afraid to mix and match colors, try new techniques, and push the boundaries of traditional makeup. The possibilities are endless, and the only limit is your imagination. Whether you're a makeup novice or a seasoned pro, there's always something new to discover and enjoy. So have fun with it and let your creativity shine. You might just surprise yourself. The joy of experimenting with makeup is that you never know what amazing looks you'll come up with. Sometimes the most unexpected combinations turn out to be the most stunning. So take a chance, play around, and see where your creativity takes you. You might find a new favorite look or discover a hidden talent for makeup artistry. The journey of self-expression through makeup is full of delightful surprises. Section 9. The end of the lipstick, not the fun. The lipstick-only makeup challenge was a wild ride. I learned some valuable lessons about makeup, my own creativity, and the importance of not taking myself too seriously. And the best part, I have a hilarious story to tell and a newfound appreciation for the versatility of lipstick. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have some lipstick stains to clean up.